Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. First, just want to give a shout out to all my subscribers, my new ones and my day ones, and a big welcome to those who are seeing my channel for the first time. Thank you all for coming back and watching yet another unboxing and review video. Today, I think I may have found the best budget Bluetooth earbuds that I need for my work phone. There was a slight hiccup though, which I'll go over somewhere in this video. But with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first up, we have the quick start guide that just shows you what's in the box. What's in the box? Next is the detailed instruction manual on how to pair. Here you have 3 types of earbud sizes. Next is the USB-C charging cable. And lastly is the unit itself. So I was a little disappointed that there was a noticeable scratch mark on the top of this. But then again, this is going to be my work earbuds, so that makes it okay a little, kinda. My OCD is kicking in, but at least the earbuds themselves looked intact. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Alright, so here the product is made of a shiny black finish. Now the left earbud is also made of the same black finish as the charging case. The MFB, or the multifunction button, is made of a glossy tactile material. The right earbud is the same. I'm really glad that these did not have any scuff marks or any scratches. Even though these are budget earbuds, I still like to take care of my electronic devices, so I'd rather not have them any scratches or any dings or dents. Next, I'm going to go ahead and charge this for a bit and get pairing with my work phone. Now, before I get into my review here, I just want to let you all know that I was probably about the 30 or 40% of people who could not pair these earbuds together. So what initially happened was when I took them out of the case, both did not connect to one another. So when I connected them to my work phone, there were 2 separate Bluetooth connections. Now, I thought that was pretty strange, and for the longest time, I was trying to figure out why these two would not pair with one another, as pairing them separately would only allow for one earbud to work at one time. So after much troubleshooting, I finally decided to ask Amazon, and thank you to this person who put up detailed instructions on how to get this fixed. I wasn't able to get this on video, unfortunately, but if I encounter it again, I'll make a troubleshooting video for you all. Other customers who left reviews didn't have any issue with this, and like I said, I was probably about one of the 30 to 40% of customers who had this issue. Alright, now on to the good parts. So these earbuds are pretty much exactly what I was looking for. The people I was speaking with on the other end could hear me clearly, and there was no lag in between my conversations. I didn't get one single complaint that said I was muffled, sounded far away, or boxy. I used this for an entire workday, so approximately about 8 hours, and I didn't even have to charge it once. At the end of the day, they still had about 60% of battery life to both of them. Now, for listening to music and watching videos, I would say these work just fine. It won't blow you out of the water, and it won't keep you under the water, so to speak. I did notice, however, that listening to podcasts kind of sounded a little out of place. The best way I can describe this is that both earbuds are playing the same podcast at the same time, separately, so that you can slightly hear an echo, like it's coming from 2 separate speakers instead of sounding like it should be coming out of one speaker, if that makes sense. Now, this isn't a big issue to me at least, as I don't listen to podcasts too often, and when I do use my other headphones to listen. But if you're a big podcast listener, this may be an issue for you. So for $10, I believe I got more than my money's worth with this product, minus the extra troubleshooting I had to do. A product is supposed to work right from the start, and the consumer shouldn't have to troubleshoot anything to make it work the first time. Although it wasn't a big deal, it was just a minor inconvenience. I would definitely recommend this product for those looking for a super cheap alternative to Bluetooth earbuds. It works great for call taking. It works good for music and videos, and like I mentioned, it was just okay for podcasts. Alright, everybody, we're almost to my modest goal of 100 subscribers by the end of this year, and I'm definitely excited to reach it with you all. Thank you all for watching yet another review and unboxing of Budget Tech, and I'll see you all in the next one.